Good day, students. You are warmly welcome to Greenville School e-learning Mathematics Year 8. The topic for today is data handling. Mr. Matthew, your math teacher. In our previous exercises and topics, we looked at data handling. So I know you can answer the following questions. The first is, what is frequency table, mode, range, and mean? You have just 2 minutes to explain. I know you know it. Now, what is frequency table? Frequency table is a table which has the quantity, frequency, the tally, and the product of frequency and the quantity. While the mode is the quantity which has the highest frequency. The range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum, while the mean is average. It's also giving us the sum of fx over sum of f. I know you got everything. Clap for yourself. Now, today, we want to use the frequency table to determine the mode, range, and mean of raw data. I repeat it again. We want to use the frequency table to determine the mode, range, and mean of raw data. Now, I have an example here. Since it's a sample question, I want you to give it a try. You have 5 minutes. Okay. Compare your answer with mine. Now, as you can see, this is the construction of a frequency table. The length, the tally, the frequency, and the product of frequency and x. So we need to fill in the necessary lengths. Now, how many tools do we have? You scan through the data. We have 1 tool here. You cancel it, and you bring 1 tally. Another 2, you cancel it, and you mark 1 for tally. Another 2 is there. You cancel it, and you mark 1 for tally. Is there any 2 again? No. So you sum the tally. That gives us 3. So for 2's, we have 3 of them. You continue in that order till you finish filling the table. Now, when you are through with filling the frequency and the tally, you then compute the fx. Now, how do you find fx? Fx is actually the length times the frequency. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. In that order, with that we've been able to fill our frequency table. So this is the frequency table. But we need to calculate the sum of your f and the sum of your fx. Now, sum of f is 30, sum of fx is 137. The essence of calculating this is to find the mean. Now, we are through the first part. Let's look at the second part. Now, from the table, the highest quantity is 8, or the highest length is 8, and the least is 2. So the difference between the 2 gives us 6. So 6 is actually the range. Now, the mode is the length with the highest frequency. As you can see, 5 has the highest frequency. So the mode of the length is actually 5, while the mean is the sum of your fx over that. The sum of fx from the calculation we had 137, and the sum of our fx that. So this gives us 4.6 as the mean. Now, in summary, can you use frequency table to determine the mode, range, and mean of raw data? I know you can. I know you can. So take this as your assignment. Make sure you do it. And thank you. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye.